a little bit concerning.
I mean, I can understand in like the middle of a fight you don't hear it or something. Like, fire the hole!
Ones that like are different languages.
No, they're all in English.
No, some of them are different.
Like Maze.
I mean,
but they're very distinctive.
they are very distinctive.
Okay, I guess we're ready. Here, I'll say ready. I mean,
Like
okay, even for losing these games,
you're like, what is that?
I think we're doing pretty good fighting them back, so...
Yeah, y'all are doing fine.
Didn't record at all, even though I said I didn't record either.
Oh no,
So
unlucky.
Alright, I never played this.
Just whatever you want to play, basically.
I think Soldier's gonna Blizzardworld personally.
Do we want to try straight dive?
I don't know, do we?
Jav, the switch onto Moira off of Zenyatta was really good too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't
you've been
doing
getting
shit on
jumped
Zen.
like this whole game. I will say, I think that's something that we need to do as support players is expand our hero pool.
Yeah, that's why I've been trying to play more Moira, just because, like, since I know Celia's gonna be playing Mercy, like, I gotta play more than Zen.
Yeah, if I play Zen, I'm gonna die, so I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, and if you guys are getting fucked in the backline, Brigitte would be a good support.
Yeah,
He's a good one.
Because we do have issues with protecting our backline.
Yeah.
So if you guys are getting fucked, Brigitte's a fantastic answer to that.
I might, depending on how this first point goes, I might switch to that, actually. I don't have a lot of...
Well, she's not great with that comp.
Yeah, no, she's a death ball.
Oh, yeah,
She's
yeah.
good for defense.
That's true. I forgot we were doing that. I wasn't paying attention on Seacom.
Yeah, she's very death ball. So if we ever switch to death ball, like we usually do, it'll be fine. You can do it again.
Like, I personally would love to see a lot more Lucio play from the both of you.
I-
Not just 'cause I play Lucio.
I'll figure it out someday, Gavin.
He's a good hero.
I know.
Which way are you going? I like going up bottom left, but...
Let's go bottom left then.
Yeah.
I don't know this map.
Yeah, go bottom left.
Follow us, Quinn.
I'm sorry, guys.
Jinx.
They're not holding, they're gonna be holding the Tracer's up top. They're gonna be holding on the left side.
Or behind point on high ground.
Yeah.
Tracer behind.
Oh, honestly,
Yeah.
just move on a point. Go around, move on a point. Make them come to us.
Tracer
No,
behind.
no
fire strike, no fire strike.
We don't have a
Focus
dude.
on, focus on,
Uh,
yeah.
Focus, run.
Rack free, rack free,
Tracer's
rack free.
around our back.
Dude, Brigitte is so annoying. Ryan can die. Ryan's dead. Brigitte.
Oh, thanks, Jeff.
Mercy. Nice. I need health if I can get it.
I was trying to get over to you.
Oh, fuck.
2 for 1.
Keep fighting. We'll have spawn advantage if we don't die here.
Oh, I got stuck.
I think we still got numbers. We're fine.
If you can res me, I've got ult.
Which one? Tuna?
Winston, yeah.
Oh, sorry.
We have numbers. We're fine.
Hog's dead.
Yeah, we should
Get in there,
keep
fight,
pushing.
Fight that. Ryan's half. Tracer, no E. Hog's up, Hog's back up, no res.
Okay, we're gonna have to dodge support.
Oh, he got me with the fucking edge of that. Oh, thank you. I'm surprised you actually got that off. Holy shit.
Yeah, no. Definitely winnable. It's just them two.
Not when.
No.
No, it is.
Winnable. 100%.
Brigitte's dead.
Nice. Coming back. Quite the clusterfuck.
Oh.
Damn, he's got that again. Alright, no, that's not
I think I'm
one.
gonna go Reaper because they're honestly pretty much just.
Starting over.
Yeah.
Oh god, you guys are so far away. This run back is annoying.
Tracer background.
Oh my god!
This fucking Roadhog wants to eat your fucking ass out.
Can we push forward? I can res that and then we'll move at 6.
No hook, no hook.
Never mind.
Fuck out.
I meant push forward on the body.
Go.
Close. Trace is coming behind.
I must go where I'm needed.
That's a big
Find
close.
one.
Rand's
Fuck,
line.
back out,
No,
back
all
out,
of you
back
are
out,
dead.
back out, back out.
Performance level.
Literally every single one. Come back, come back, come back.
Could maybe use some of that Junkrat magic, but I might be too late now.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, okay.
Honestly, I'd
No, stay.
Stay?
Let's just go.
This is not a good time, yeah.
Should I just try to ult
We
the
should dive the
Alright,
soul
just
from the
dive
top.
You needed a doctor.
No hook, no hook. You ready, Diva? Top on soul.
Oh god! Tracer.
Okay, okay.
Okay, fuck it. Just go.
That's still
Are you
fucking hitting
kidding?
me. What the hell? I was.
Yeah,
I was,
no, that hit me too.
I mean,
I got fucking hooked. I'm hooked.
Gavin, be proud of me. Not proud.
Too late.
Oh, jeez. Ooh. Dude,
Damn,
wait.
you were on there.
If I was there.
second.
I am so.
Okay.
Hold on. I'm fucking pissed that that Diva Bomb still hit me while I was in my fucking shift.
I
All
got
right,
one
Gavin.
word for y'all.
Go for
Sombra. Play fucking Sombra. She's good. And literally, you could have shut down most of their team. So good with the damn Sombra. And focused the Mercy more. She was getting a lot more res off than she should have. But got the Rhine shield down. And also Ana would have been another good one. Gotta practice somewhere.
I like legitimately Ana until I have a better computer. I don't hit any shots.
Okay.
I can play on.
Rhine shield goes down with a Sombra hack. Tracer can't move with a Sombra hack. Brigitte can't do shit with a Sombra hack.
I think we also needed the Junkrat switch a little sooner.
Junkrat would have been a better pick sooner, yeah. When she saw, literally, if you
If
see
you
that they
think
have
that
a
called out.
if you see that they have a Brigitte, dive is not gonna work super
That's
great. So once you see that they have a Brigitte, just be like, okay, to lose the dive.
Yeah, I should go repeat it. It's too late
Julia,
now.
look.
Huh?
Come here.
Nice.
Let's get you back out there.
Someone told me that you didn't like them dying. The
There
little.
was,
Who the fuck told me that?
I don't know.
it was Junie.
Oh.
Should we hold high ground? I don't.
We don't have a lot of long range.
Focus Mercy before you focus any other support. Also, her res is so goddamn valuable. Like
Yep.
it's along that fight so much.
I would expect them to go left. Or I guess I'm right.
yeah, they're not going straight up.
Yeah,
I
they're there.
literally just ran down the
Brigitte.
middle.
Brigitte, Zarya. Zarya, no personal.
Well done.
Hogs.
Spam that shield down.
Reinhardt hack, Reinhardt hack.
Sir!
You're okay.
I know! But, like, sir!
Reinhardt hacking me.
Nice job.
Nice.
Hog on the left.
He's behind. He's in the little amusement park. There we go.
I go.
Damage increase.
Sorry, I'm eating while I'm doing this right now.
How unprofessional.
Right.
You don't see Jakey on the fucking stage.
Okay, well, I'm out on that.
Shit, I
Only
forgot there was
doubles or
another
getting
game
this shit
on.
ripped on.
Okay. Do whatever you guys did again. Couldn't see anything through all y'all.
Farm Mercy. Farm Mercy Tracer's what they're running. No friendly bubble. They're going top left.
Alright, just ignore the Pharah for a sec. Pick everything else.
The Pharah's direct's really good. Watch out.
I'm going behind them, see if I can pick this.
Ow.
Y'all?
On the left.
That's fine.
They're all on the left.
Why do you go in there?
Because small corridor, they stand it down, but they kind of, bubble and then let me get in there. Me and Javelin on my back.
Okay, I have,
Use it.
yeah, green tea.
Come on, guys. Come back in.
Oh, somehow he didn't get me.
Okay.
Heal each other.
Alright.
On it.
Sorry, I didn't see where you were.
It's okay.
That's alright.
Alright.
It happens.
Maybe that was faster than I expected. What are we playing on? Let's see.
Smash in.
What the fuck? So who wants to play some comp? I've got one more placement.
Okay.
Oh, yay.
I spent all my time dead. That's why I didn't have any healing.
Impeccable.
Fucking orbs do a lot.
Hang on.
The